And they finish and you see cut hair.
I think so. This is because I think this closed all the time. No,
How much capital are you putting into this project?
The entire project, we want to commercialize it. So we want to get a private company because it has proven to be more expensive.
Okay.
Because of the humidity in this area. So it will be more expensive for us to put cash injection into this. So we'll get a private company that can make an offer of how we can commercialize it. And then we charge the concession, we run it as a concession, and then even put more facilities on other places. So and bring more activities because we believe that this place can have more activities.
How much are you charging people for booking here?
Penalty, how much is? So it depends on season. It's a
Yes,
seasonal.
but look at the ceilings here.
At the high season, how much is it?
peak period.
Peak periods we charge between about 900 and 1,000. Right?
For the unit. This is for a 2-bedroom.
That's a 2-bedroom.
How many bedrooms?
It's 2-bedroom.
All of them.
Yeah. So for the entire place, so it's between 900 and 1,100. So depending on the
If there was a duty of care for these facilities, even today we wouldn't be able to inspect this one because it would be fully occupied. Yes, we can complain about lack of funding and what have you, but I think these things have been left neglected for a very long time. For a very long time. If there was an effort in one of the, even if you were to do one chalet per year, but do it exceptionally well, we wouldn't be at this situation. You know, I can tell you, for me, this thing needs to be condemned. Take all the furniture, redo it. It has cracks all over. Take out this old ceiling board, clean the roof, paint it, and what have you, so that it becomes attractive. You know, even if people pay R2 per night, but that would be a R2 of hard work and sweat. So there has to be value for money, rather than having people coming here then tarnish the image of the organization and say, I slept at the Ezemvelo facility and this is what it is, giving a very horrible experience. I do believe that we could turn the corner at some point, but let's have these things being perfect. Something that you can, if your wife will say, I want to book at Ezemvelo, we'll come back, we'll say, no, go ahead and book. You can't say, no, let's sleep at Black Rock and come here and look at antelopes and what have you. Because that's what happens with many of your facilities. People sleep somewhere else and come and enjoy your dam and come and enjoy your animals. But you have facilities that they cannot use. This is what